Question 2. By using first principle, find f prime 2 if fx is 3x squared plus 12. So we need to use first principle. Note that f prime 2 is actually f prime a, and hence a is equal to 2. Therefore, for this question, x equal to a is given. So I'll be teaching you how to solve this question using two methods. The first method is by using the second formula of first principle. So recall, for first principle, we have two formula. If x equal to a is given, use this formula, which is the second one in the first principle. And for this formula, you're gonna need fx, fa, and the value of a. Fx is this one. Next, we need fa, and we already know that a is 2. If this is x, this is also x. Therefore, what is f2? f2 is 3 times 2 squared plus 12, and the answer is 24. So now just substitute the value of a, fx, and f2 into this formula. A is 2. So you'll get f prime 2 equal to limit x approaches 2, and the denominator is x minus 2. Fx is just 3x squared plus 12, and fa is 24. So now simplify the numerator. And we will get 3x squared minus 12. So if you substitute x equal to 2 into x, you'll get 0 over 0, which is case 2. So we need to factorize for this question. So factorize out 3 from 3x squared minus 12 first. And you'll get 3 times x squared minus 4. Use your calculator to factorize x squared minus 4. And you'll get 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So now you can see that you can cancel out x minus 2. And hence it is just 3 times x plus 2. Substitute x equal to 2. And we will get f prime 2 equal to 12. Always check your answer. Fx is 3x squared plus 12. F prime x is 6x. Therefore, what is f prime 2? This is 6 times 2, which is 12. Since they are the same, this means that this answer is correct. So this is by using method 1, where you use the second formula of first principle. Now we're gonna try another method, in which we will apply the first formula of first principle. So we need fx plus h and fx. If you substitute h equal to 0 into h, we'll get 0 over 0, which is case 2. So in this case, we're going to use factorization. So expand the 1 in the numerator. Let's expand x plus h square first. And let's expand negative with the second term. So now we can actually cancel out 3x squared and 12. So it's just 6xh plus 3h squared in the numerator. Note that you can actually factorize h. So cancel out h from numerator and denominator. So it's actually just limit h approaches 0, 6x plus 3h. Substitute h equal to 0 into h, and we will get f prime x equal to 6x. But we're not done yet because what we need to find is f prime 2. If this is x, this is also x. Therefore, f prime 2 is 6 times 2, which is 12. So, using the second method, you're gonna get the same answer again, which is 12. However, in terms of concept, it is much better for you to use method 1 instead of method 2. Whenever you are given the value of a, always use the second formula of first principle. So this method is preferable for this kind of question. So let's try another question. We are given fx equal to square root x minus 1. So we need to find f prime a when a is 10. So x equal to a is given. Therefore, straightforward, just use this formula. If this is x, this is also x. Therefore, f10 is the square root of 10 minus 1. And the answer is 3. Now, substitute a equal to 10, fx, and f10 into our formula. Note that a is 10, fx is square root x minus 1, and fa or f10 is 3. If we substitute x equal to 10 into x, we'll get case 2, therefore we need to use conjugate. And we only need to expand the one with the conjugate. So use the formula a plus b times a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And for the denominator, you just need to copy them down. Simplify the numerator. And you can see that we can actually cancel out x minus 10. So now just substitute x equal to 10 back into x. And we'll get f prime 10 is equal to 1 over 6. But don't forget to check your answer. This is fx. F prime x is 1 over 2 square root x minus 1. And hence, f prime 10 is actually 1 over 2 square root 10 minus 1, which is 1 over 6. So we can actually see they are the same, and hence this answer is correct.